I am Kelly Schaffner. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time joining me, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap the bell so you will be notified every single time I upload a video. I would sure like to have you visit again. And for all of the returning viewers, thank you so much for supporting my channel. I do unboxings here of clothing subscriptions, online shopping, clothing hauls. So if you like that type of video, you have come to the right place. Please be certain, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps a girl out. Today, I have a Lyon Post. Lyon Post is a try before you buy service. And it's also being discontinued at the end of the summer. So there's a lot of items in their online store. In fact, everything in their store is at least 30% off. And Lyon Post only carries high-end premium brands. So what you do is you go to their website, you shop their collections, you put all the items that you would like to try in a queue, and they will send you the first 4 items that are available on your list. And I'll tell you, I have a lot of things in my list right now, and many of those things are waitlisted because other ladies are trying them on or they're out of inventory in my size. But it is well worth taking a look at right now if you'd like to get some premium brand clothing at just great prices. And if you want to try Lyon Post, you can use my referral link. It's down in the description box, and you will get $30 off your first purchase. In return, they extend $30 to me, and so it's a win-win situation. I have a whole lot of credit to spend with Lyon Post, and I have been requesting premium denims just because they're such a good price. I don't know if I'll wear them through the summer, but I really would like to pick some up. So let's crack into this box. They do send a preview to tell me what I'm getting, but honestly, I have so much mail and so much else going on. This is what the box looks like when it gets to you. Isn't it beautiful? I love the presentation at Lyon Post. So this is a little different. They have the note just taped to the top. It's a handwritten note. This one says, "Hello, Kelly. Thanks for shopping with us. You made some excellent choices. We hope you have luck this round. Enjoy trying on all your picks. Lyon Post." And here is my bundle. So we have some denims in there. Yes, we do. Okay. The first thing we have is a tee by L&A. And I really like this brand of t-shirt. This is the softest t-shirt in the whole wide world. And we have some detail up here in the sleeve, a little heart up there on the collar and a cutout there. So it makes it a little bit different from any other gray heathered t-shirt. This is by Cupcakes and Cashmere, and this is just a bell sleeve top, and that's got the embroidered flowers down the sleeves, and it's a big bell top, but it looks to be a little short-waisted. The back does have button-up detail with cloth-covered buttons. This is really beautiful. I hope it works. It does look really short. Okay, now we have some Paige denims. These are the Vertigo Mid-Rise Ultra Skinny in gray. And, ooh, these feel so nice. Paige denim is really a nice denim. So I don't remember the discounted price on these, but I will try them on and see if they earn a place in my closet. And last we have, these are mother jeans, and these are a high-waisted, just, what are they? Do they tell me the wash? Well, you can see the wash. They're just kind of a regular wash, which I like. They're a full-length jean with nothing, no distressing, nothing on them, which I appreciate in a jean. I feel like I can wear these so much more. They get a lot more use. So I'm going to try them on and share the prices with you, and let's see if any of these work. First up is this top by Cupcakes and Cashmere. This top is $55.12, and I think that's a great price. I love these sleeves. It's just so dramatic. And the embroidery detail, and it is truly embroidered. It is not ironed on or anything like that. Here's the back of the top. And the problem I have with this top is the length. As I thought, it is short, and I just think it's too short. Even when I tucked it in, it's coming up. So I think this top, unfortunately, is going to be a no. I am not in the need of any crop tops, but boy, I need these sleeves in my life. Aren't they beautiful? Okay, the Paige denim jeans. These feel awesome. These are the Vertigo Ultra Skinny in a gray wash, and they have the pockets in the front, the coin pocket. We have plain pockets in the back. This is the length of them. These feel amazing. They are just a medium rise. They don't go up past my belly button, and I like a higher rise jean, but these jeans are $132.30. If you know Paige denim, you know this is a great price for a pair of Paige denims, but the wash concerns me because I don't wear a lot of gray wash, and I just purchased a pair of gray wash denims from the Ever Eve website, and I got those on sale at a steal, less than $30. Those haven't arrived for me to do a comparison, but these feel amazing. First, I'll tell you, this feels amazing on my body. This fabric is awesome. This is the L&A Heartbreak Tee. This is $66.50 on sale. It feels amazing. I have purchased this brand before in the $90 range. So yeah, they're expensive tees, but they feel awesome. I love this little detail. I think it just adds so much interest to an otherwise very plain tee. Let me get up close so you can see that detail. And so it just kind of looks a little edgy and grungy and yet put together, I think, in my opinion. So here is the tee. It's $55.60. I think I'm going to call it mine. Let me know what you think about it. Last item is the Mother jeans. These are the Looker jeans, and these are $152.60 on sale. If you're familiar with Mother jeans, they're a high-end jean, normally in the $230 price range. So $152 is an awesome price for these jeans. They feel amazing. They've got a pretty high rise. Oh, there's my belly button. So I like this rise of a jean. It helps me just feel a little bit tucked in. They have the working pockets in the front, again, the coin pocket, and the two pockets in the back. So this is the length. This is what they look like. What do you think? I really like these jeans. So this is the outfit I think I need to add to my closet. My final thoughts on this Lyon Post is that this was a great box. I like everything in the box. The cupcakes and cashmere top is so beautiful and just too short for my liking. So I will not be keeping that. I think that was the cheapest thing in the box at $55.12. The gray Paige denims, $132.30. It's an awesome price. I am going to send those back. I just don't think I need more than one pair of gray denim, and I've purchased some, although I haven't tried them on. I am just crossing my fingers that my level 99 gray denim work for me. But the Heartache Tee at $66.50, it's about a 30% savings of what if I had to pay full price. So I think this is a really good price. It will probably be discounted more through the summer, but I don't want to risk not being able to get it in my size. And these Mother jeans, the Looker, $152.60. They are still on me. I think I want to wear them all day. They feel amazing. Mother jeans are a great jean, and they are difficult to find on sale. I will tell you, Lyon Post will price match, and so I have received items from them before, and I want them so bad, I start searching for a better price, and I haven't ever been able to find it. I have heard other YouTubers that have found better prices and were able to get Lyon Post to price match. So that's awesome. Normally you have 7 days to decide what you want to keep and what you want to send back. I am going to return the white top and the gray denims today, and keep the rest. But I'm curious to hear what you think about everything I received in my Lyon Post. If you have tried Lyon Post, I'd like to hear what your experience was like. And if you haven't tried it, now is a good time to try it. Go through my referral link. Get that $30 free credit off your first box. Thank you all for joining me once again. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I look forward to seeing you in 2 more days with another video. Blessings.